so all you have to do really is, let me show you. See that light here? You gotta twist it. Hold on, let me see if I can do it while I'm holding the camera. Twist, and there we go. The bulb comes out. Let me find the new one and then we can install it. Okay, here's the light. Just unplug it. There we go. It's out. Alright guys, so we bought the lights from Acura. This is the company that sponsored me. So if you guys are interested in LED lights, just check the link below and you will get 12% discount on your purchase. All right, let's put them on. So we'll take it out of the box. This is what it looks like. Looks very nice. Let's put them on and test it. All right. Okay. Here's the cable. Let's plug it in. I hope that's the right one. It's not going in a little bit. I think this might be the DRLs. I took out this one. Let me see. Hold on to that. Let me take out the other one. Alright guys, I said we were changing this, but I think I bought the wrong light. So we actually changing, those are the fog lights. So this is the bulb like I showed you, but it's not the blue one, it's just the black one. So I just changed it. So let's go start the car and see if we get something. Oh yeah, very nice. Right, now let's put it back in where it needs to go.
Like film, bro.
Oh yeah, like when you put it into the housing, it might be a bit more. Okay, the light is on. Let me show you guys where it goes. Hold on. All right guys, so you see the blue one, the blue light is daytime running light. The black one is where the fogs are. So this is the one we replaced instead of the other one, which we'll do at a later time. So anyway, let's test them one more time and see how they look. Oh yeah, oh yeah, beautiful. So there's nothing on this one yet because the bulb blew up, so we're gonna replace that one as well. But yeah, here's what it looks like. Okay guys, now that everything is working, it's just a matter of just putting the plastic covers back where they belong. This goes. Alright, so I remember big old boy was right here, and this one goes right in here, and the smaller one was up here. Okay, done. I think there wasn't any here, but I'm gonna put one in there. Let me see if I can have it. Let's see if this one fits. I haven't put it right here. All right, good. This one back in. And last but not least, there's a little screw that goes in here. Trying to line it up. Okay, perfect. Not too tight, just enough. All right, let's move on to the next side. Okay. Actually, I need a little stubby one. There's a clip right here, there's a couple of screws right here. We gotta take them out. Take the screws out first. Okay, it's out. Okay, now I should be able to move this out. Let me see. Okay, hold on. Thanks. Okay. All right, guys. Finally, it took me a little while to take the light out. I think when they put it in originally, they put it in correctly. So I had to maneuver it and use this to push it up to unlock it. I mean, it looks fine, but anyway, it's out. Let me go get the new one. We'll put the new one on. Okay, I told you guys, here's the new bulb. Let's put it on. Let's connect it first and test it, make sure it works. Okay, here it is. Oh, never mind. You don't even need to go in. Very bright. Oh, wow, almost blind me. I looked at it for like 2 seconds. Jeez. Okay. All right, let's try to put it back into the housing. Hold on. All right, light is on. Let's test it now. Yep. All right, they're both on. Beautiful. Okay, now let's connect everything back. Put everything back, and then we can call this a doner.
Oh, let's put in temporary screws.
Yep.
Right one.
Yeah. I think let me see if they may fit on me now. Let's see. I think I need the other one.
That actual screw that they put in.
Yep. All right, this is so much better. Okay. Done.
That's all you went, man.
Okay, that's done. Actually, no, I got one more. One actually official screw. All right, so I found a screw that fit in here. So this is all done, and the lights are all done. And we'll come back later and do the driving light. So one more time, that's the final look. Beautiful. I'll get you another video at night so you guys can see. This is all done. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, peace.